In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your workspace data in ClickUp. To get started, open ClickUp and make sure you're in the correct workspace that you want to export from. Once you're on the main screen, look to the upper left corner and click your workspace avatar. This will open the main menu for workspace related options. From that menu, select Settings. This is where ClickUp stores the administrative options and account level tools you'll need for managing your workspace. After the settings page opens, take a look at the sidebar and find the Import-Export option. Go ahead and click that to open the page where ClickUp handles both incoming and outgoing data. Once you're in the Import-Export area, open the Export section. This is the part of the page that lets you create a downloadable copy of your workspace data. If you're doing this for backup purposes, or to move information for reporting or record keeping, this is the section you'll use. Next, click Start Export. As soon as you do that, ClickUp will begin preparing your workspace data. Depending on how much information your workspace contains, this may take a little time. Larger workspaces with more tasks, folders, lists, or activity history may take longer to process, so be patient while the export is being generated. At this stage, all you need to do is wait for ClickUp to finish preparing the file. You don't need to keep clicking anything repeatedly. Just give the platform time to complete the export. If needed, you can stay on the page and watch for the status to update. Once the export is ready, you'll see the Download Export option become available. Click Download Export to save the file to your computer. It's a good idea to store the file somewhere easy to find, especially if you plan to review it right away or keep it as a backup for future reference. And that's it. That's how to export your workspace data in ClickUp, from opening your workspace settings all the way to downloading the finished export file. If you're following along, just make sure you're in the right workspace before you begin, and allow enough time for the export to process fully before downloading. Thanks for watching.